This is a tutorial on field activity in which we use the Know Your Well project. In this tutorial, you will be shown a desired way of collecting samples as well as multiple scenarios of undesirable ways of collecting samples. First things first, put on gloves. This is so you can protect yourself and prevent cross-contamination to the samples being collected. Once you have located the hydrant or spigot, attach the hose adapter and the hose to the hydrant or spigot. Make sure that you are firmly connecting the hose to the hydrant or spigot. This makes it easier to collect samples. Sometimes there will be more pressure than a poorly attached hose can handle. Pressure will build up, the hose might disconnect from the spigot, and water can spray everywhere. Use well with caution. After the hose is put on, allow water to run about 5 gallons or a full bucket. This is a critical step because you want to collect groundwater, not water that has been sitting or stagnant in the pipes. After you run about 5 gallons, you are ready to collect samples. Make sure that the water is not turned off in the process of collecting samples, or you will have to redo the purging of 5 gallons worth again. Here's an example of what not to do. While collecting samples, make sure that the hose does not touch the sample bottle. There will be a total of 4 sample bottles to collect at each well. You will be testing for bacteria in one of your bottles. This sample bottle has 2 lines on it. The first, thicker line on the bottle is a warning line that alerts you when you are about to reach the second, thinner 100 milliliter fill line. If you have too little of a sample, the bacteria test will not be accurate. If you have too much of a sample, the bacteria test will not be accurate either. A different sample bottle will require 5 drops of HCl to preserve the sample. It is very important to wear gloves during this step. After collecting samples and labeling them with the correct labeling stickers, put them in a cooler right away. When done collecting samples, make sure to disconnect the hose and get excess water out of it.